coral reefs, shimmering cities beneath the waves, a kaleidoscope of life. They are Earth's most diverse marine ecosystems, a vital part of our planet's life support system. Yet these underwater wonderlands are facing an unprecedented crisis. Their intricate structures, built by tiny animals called coral polyps, provide shelter and sustenance to a quarter of all marine species. The reefs are a lifeline for millions of people who depend on them for food, income, and coastal protection. But the reefs are vanishing. Warming waters, pollution, and destructive fishing practices are pushing them to the brink of collapse. The time to act is now, before these underwater treasures are lost forever. Imagine a bustling city teeming with life. Instead of towering skyscrapers, imagine vibrant coral formations in every imaginable shape and size. Schools of fish dart through the coral branches, their scales flashing like jewels in the sunlight. Elusive octopuses and moray eels peek out from crevices, while sea turtles glide gracefully through the water. This is the reality of a coral reef, a complex and interconnected ecosystem that supports an astounding array of life. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this underwater city. From the smallest plankton to the largest sharks, every organism is connected. The intricate web of life on a coral reef is a testament to the power of nature and the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems. Coral reefs provide a vital habitat for a staggering diversity of marine life. Fish seek refuge within the coral branches, finding protection from predators and ideal breeding grounds. Sharks patrol the outer edges, ensuring a healthy balance within the ecosystem. Crustaceans and mollusks make their homes within the crevices, while sea turtles graze on seagrass meadows nearby. The reef provides food, shelter, and breeding grounds for countless species, making it a crucial nursery for the ocean. But the benefits of coral reefs extend far beyond the reef itself. They act as a vital food source for millions of people around the world, particularly in coastal communities. The fish and other marine life that thrive on reefs provide essential protein and nutrients, contributing to food security and livelihoods for countless families. Coral reefs are not only essential for marine life, but they also play a vital role in protecting our coastlines. The intricate structures of reefs act as natural breakwaters, absorbing wave energy and reducing the impact of storms and erosion. This natural barrier protects coastal communities from flooding, property damage, and loss of life. Without healthy reefs, coastlines are left vulnerable to the full force of the ocean, putting people and property at risk. Furthermore, coral reefs contribute to the overall health of the ocean. They filter water, removing pollutants and improving water quality. The complex biological processes that occur on reefs help to regulate ocean chemistry, ensuring a stable environment for marine life. The health of our oceans is inextricably linked to the health of coral reefs, making their protection a global imperative. Despite their vital importance, coral reefs are facing an unprecedented crisis. Human activities are pushing these fragile ecosystems to the brink of collapse. Climate change, pollution, overfishing, and destructive fishing practices are all taking a devastating toll. Warming ocean temperatures are causing coral bleaching, a phenomenon that weakens and can kill corals. Pollution from agricultural runoff, sewage, and plastic waste is smothering reefs and disrupting delicate ecological balances. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices, such as dynamite fishing, are decimating fish populations and destroying reef structures. The combined effects of these threats are pushing coral reefs towards a tipping point beyond which recovery may be impossible. Section 6. The Silent Killer: Climate Change. Climate change poses the greatest threat to the future of coral reefs. As ocean temperatures rise due to increasing greenhouse gas emissions, corals experience thermal stress, leading to coral bleaching. Bleaching occurs when corals expel the symbiotic algae that live within their tissues and provide them with food. Without these algae, corals lose their vibrant colors and their primary source of energy, leaving them vulnerable to disease and death. Even if corals survive a bleaching event, they can take years or even decades to recover. Repeated bleaching events, coupled with other stressors, are pushing reefs beyond their ability to adapt, leading to widespread coral mortality and ecosystem collapse. Section 7. Pollution's poison touch. Pollution from land-based sources is another major threat to coral reefs. Agricultural runoff carries fertilizers, pesticides and sediment into coastal waters, smothering corals and disrupting their delicate balance. Sewage discharge introduces harmful bacteria and nutrients, leading to algal blooms that block sunlight and deplete oxygen levels, creating dead zones where marine life cannot survive. Plastic waste, a growing problem in our oceans, entangles marine life, blocks sunlight and breaks down into microplastics that are ingested by marine organisms, accumulating up the food chain with potentially harmful effects. These pollutants are poisoning coral reefs, weakening their resilience and making them more susceptible to disease and bleaching. Section 8. A call to action. The plight of coral reefs is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the urgent need for collective action. Protecting these vital ecosystems requires a multifaceted approach that addresses the root causes of their decline. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions through a transition to clean energy sources is essential to mitigate climate change and prevent further ocean warming and acidification. Implementing sustainable land use practices such as reducing fertilizer use and improving sewage treatment can minimize pollution runoff. Establishing marine protected areas and enforcing responsible fishing practices can help to safeguard reefs from overfishing and destructive fishing methods. Supporting research and innovation in coral reef restoration can aid in the recovery of damaged reefs. Section 9. Our hope for the future. The future of coral reefs hangs in the balance, but it is not too late to act. By raising awareness, changing our behaviors, and supporting conservation efforts, we can make a difference. Every individual has a role to play in protecting these underwater treasures. We can make sustainable choices in our daily lives, such as reducing our carbon footprint, reducing our plastic consumption, and supporting sustainable seafood. We can support organizations and initiatives dedicated to coral reef conservation and advocate for policies that protect our oceans. The time to act is now, before these jewels of the ocean fade away forever.